control system, basically the RMAX system for Chamera Hydropower project. Now talking about the system, this is the main home screen which consists of the radar level sensors which are at the left and the right water bank. Now then we have this spillway gate. There are 3 spillway gates, one CSVG gate, that is a crest spillway vertical gate. The 3 spillway gates have an hydraulic control, they have hydraulic hoist. So this will act as a remote to the local control panels of hydraulic hoist, and the CSVG is a rope drum hoist based gate. Now here you can see as the radar level sensors, it can be depicted out here. Now at the radar level sensors you have it is always shown in a term of the reduced level, where 1380 is the lower level and 1400 is the FRL. Similarly we have the right level, the light water level. Now all this data is going to the PLC, and from the PLC it is going to the SCADA, what we see out here. This is the automation panel, and this one is the panel for the stilt flushing gates. Here we are also providing the stilt flushing gates. These are some of the simulator circuits you see out here, which we have used for the testing of the system. Now the data from here, it is going through VSAT or a fiber optic. Now so we have taken the data here on the TCP IP protocol, that is an Ethernet wire which is on Profinet. So this can either to be connected with a VSAT, that is very small aperture network, and can be sent through satellites, or it can also be going through a fiber optic network as required. Now finally this will act as a remote station to the system. Now this remote station to the system is connected to the VSD, that is a visual screen display. Now here for reference there is only one screen, but in actual there will be 4 screens, 1:1, making a 2x2 matrix for the system. Here. So the one screen will be here, another one here, and on the top, making a full matrix for the system. Now we will go to the main operation and the working of the system. Now let's look at the various options we have provided out here. Now one of the major options we have provided is calibration. We are providing local as well as remote calibration. So if we go to say calibration water level, so there are 2 levels, left level and right level, as discussed earlier. So now talking about the water level, we have a left water level sensor. This is showing the graphical or the pictorial presentation. Here we have the trend or the screen graph out here, and here has a calibration factor, offsets, final level. We also have a minimum and a maximum water level alarm which can be shown there. Everything is very much user settable and can be set using a username or a password. Once you know it, you can set it. For example, I want to set the maximum water level. I can set it to be 1700, 1700. That's it. Similarly, the right level and similarly average water level can be calibrated. Now going back to the main screen, we also have a screen for calibration of gates. So where gate 1, gate 2, gate 3, gate 4 are calibrated, and similarly we have a pictorial diagram of them in the trend form of view. So any fluctuation of the gate can be seen from the timeline. Now talking about the operations, now basically it has 2 kind of operations, remote and local. Now remote operation is done by the SCADA. So in remote also we have 2 operations, remote automatic and remote manual. So according to the